Actually, we come up here with our pistols, with our assault rifles, and with our machine guns. As you know, we evolved to a technology company rather than only a firearms producer. So in our portfolio, there are lots of products rather than the firearms. Also, we are producing the armed robot, which is carrying a 9mm caliber gun, as well as also, as you might be aware, the remote controlled weapon stations, which is autonomous and remotely controlled systems. We are integrating our machine guns on it. So we attended the fair not with a specific product, but with our main firearms portfolio. I hope for the following years we will be attending by covering the other products as well.